And for you to stand up there so clean shaven, running jokes about the woman's husband that committed suicide, yeah, it's disgusting.
From biker, yeah, na 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 na. Ooh. This is the from biker, from rider. If your bike a wreck, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo, yaga yo. We're outside again. Go on, family. Don't forget. Remember, we're back to daily content alone. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And let's do it. So yeah, man. I'm gonna bring something to you guys today, yeah, and I ain't even gonna go too deep about it because this channel ain't for that, man. Trust me, cause I don't want to start get all, you know, political and them thing there. However, have you guys watched the Kevin Hart Roast? mate. I don't know, man. I couldn't believe what I was seeing, and there was loads of people talking about it, saying, "Oh, have you watched it? Have you watched it?" And I was like, no. I'm not even a fan of Kevin Hart, to be fair, especially his stand-up. His stand-up, I'm not a fan at all, right? So anyway, I thought, let me put it on, and I have to tell you, yeah, that was the most disturbing, absolute disturbing, racially, I don't even know what to say. What are you gonna call it, family? What would you call it? It was disgusting, absolutely disgusting. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest. When I'm watching that, I'm saying, what are these people thinking? Because every joke that was headed, I would say 90% or 95% of the jokes that was going on was racial. It was racist jokes. And I know that comedy can be, don't get me wrong, I take what they say, you know, I take bad sentiment joke all the while, yeah. I do have a bit of a dark sense of humor, trust me, people who know me in real life, you get me? But I just want to know, how was that even allowed like that? On Netflix, on big screen? I don't understand it, because there's no way that you could do all that to the small hat guys. You know what I mean? Sometimes we can't even say the J word. That's how deep it is. You get me? You say the J word, your whole thing might just get licked down. You get me? But who knows. So I'm saying that black folk are in this situation where you're gonna sit there and man are gonna be saying all manner of these things in the name of comedy, and you did it like damn fool and settings. Like, that's mad. And not only did they come off with their racist foolishness here, they also was mocking completely the sister's husband who committed suicide. Like, I've never seen anything like that before. And for you to stand up there so clean shaven, running jokes about the woman's husband that committed suicide, yeah, it's disgusting, absolutely disgusting. I'm telling you now, yeah, if that was me, I don't care what wave I was, I mean, I wouldn't even be siding for them thing there anyway. Let's keep it 100, yeah. They would have went viral that day there, I'm telling you. They would have went viral that day there. For the wrong reasons, brother, I'm telling you. Because I couldn't sit there and be skin in face with all of that, man. That's craziness, man. Absolute craziness, man. Disgusting, man. And it looks like, I don't know, times are changing, innit? I feel like there's going to be like a pattern of this type of stuff where black folks are going to be on the stage and now we're verbally lynching now in the name of comedy and content. And I'm saying that if y'all are taking part in this, you're a fucking idiot. An absolute idiot. Do you get what I'm saying? We got to understand, Jay, that when we come out on the internet and doing stuff, yeah, we have children, we have family and all that. And that's going to be your legacy, brethren. You get me? So know what you're doing when you're on the internet, man. Know what you're doing. Do you understand? Like, you can't take that back. See, you see, once the man has gone on that stage and sat there like a fucking idiot, yeah, and accepted all of this shit, it's not going anywhere. It's always gonna be there. Yeah, you idiot. You're a complete idiot, man. A complete idiot. Like, I'm not even gonna go too deep into it, I'm telling you, because my opinion, the whole thing would have gone left. And like I said, yeah, this is not what I've created this space for. You get me? I definitely haven't. I don't mind a nice slow growth, pause, then, do you know what I mean, do absolute stupidness, yeah, and talk about certain kind of things in certain ways, yeah, just to have a rapid, I'm not, you get me? Me have little integrity, you know them ways there? So I'm gonna keep it surface level, do you get me? But I'm gonna let y'all in the comments let me know how you felt about that, because I'm not being funny, yeah, I'll tell you the truth, man. Them jokes there, yeah, seemed a little bit too natural. You get me? Like you know what I'm saying? Almost like that's what the man is thinking behind the scenes. So now in the name of comedy, we couldn't just let it rip. You get me? I'm not on it. I'm not on it at all. You get me? Let me know what you think, guys. As I said, guys, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.
Brown biker, yeah. Na 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 na. Ooh. This is a brown biker, brown rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor. Yeah.
We're outside again.